Katalofa tu Samoa. Talofalava le nei aso matango fie nei Brisbane. Talofalava le social maua ma le langi mama. Ia le nei aso te fia tano atu I se mata upu le wa e mai. Ala mai I le tūlanga le rua le whai unga mai le 10th US Circuit Court of Appeals I Washington DC le whatau le whainga le citizenia tangata mai Amerika Samoa. Ia wa e mai nei le whai unga wa le toi wha okamiki le whainga le citizenia tangata Amerika Samoa I whailako citizenia wha US citizens. E maliel nei whai unga awa e whaliali mai le map le tūlanga e le o menino ma oti le tūlanga o le citizenship rights tangata Samoa I Amerika I te tuila ma manua o sa wheu ma tau, which is quite a shame really because American Samoa has the highest number of any other recruitment center throughout US states and territories for US military servicemen. It is the highest per capita of US military servicemen of any recruitment center, over 880 recruitment centers throughout the United States of America. In all states and all territories, the number one recruitment center is American Samoa. And yet, paradoxically, American Samoans are not citizens, automatic citizens of Samoa, of the United States, I should say. And on the 17th of June, they made a ruling that reserved that right for Samoans, American Samoans, to become naturalized automatically by birthright. And it is argued that many Samoans do not want automatic citizenships because they consider themselves more Samoan than American. Nā toinga manatu e lelei sesitu ai tua se lava a wā pia whatusa Samoa ma Hawaii o se tete a Amerika ai petai o tangata o Hawaii e whapmamalu lava le ao malo a Hawaii le Kamehameha ma ainga tupu I Hawaii ma foi whanua e pui lava le whanua ma tūlanga o ainga tupu I Hawaii. O le ale se senga o Hawaii ma Amerika Samoa, ele se senga. O le se senga o Amerika Samoa, ele o ka meki lako sikisingi. O le whai unga le sa whai I Amerika I Washington DC. E tolu whamasingo. O le lua whamasingo ai sa te te. Ai tasi le whamasino sa ioi ina ia wha o ka meki le whainga sikisingi o tangata mai Amerika Samoa. O le nei mataapu e whaali mai nei le afo I le manino ma le lo po fe me tu ai o tangata Samoa. O le whai unga, it consigns Samoans as permanent second-class citizens. disenfranchised Samoans. Ele mawhai o ngā pāloka se kāka Samoa directly i le US elections. I o lava e whaatanga o na pālota i le mālo lava o Samoa i Amerika Samoa i le lato lava mālo under the governor o waifoi o Le Malu Peliti Maunga and his administration. If ole tūranga o Samoa, America Samoa, le unincorporated unorganized territory of the United States of America. Ole ngā whailonga e a fwoi e whili ma whalialinga e permanently disenfranchised le tangata o Samoa. Ma whaliali mai nei, o tangata Samoa i Amerika Samoa, paola le tūlanga e ioe i le whainga o le citizeni o Amerika Samoa, e ala mai le military, le ranga, le NFL, ma ta'alonga. E o ngā tūlanga e le mānaia a wā awale le taimi e whamamalu ai le whainga o le citizeni o tangata Samoa, e ala mai le military. I whangata atu le whainga le citizeni o tangata Samoa, lo tangata sa whananau i Amerika. E le nei tūlanga i le ala o le whamamaluina o tangata Samoa. That is a very, very bad rites of passage, as it were, for American Samoans to become naturalized as US citizens. It's even more difficult. It's only through, as a reward system, similarly to the auxiliaries of the Roman Empire for a Roman citizenship, whereby the auxiliaries from the reserves from the Germanic tribes were able to attain their Roman citizenships, fighting through the auxiliaries against the Germanic tribes and the enemies of Rome. That's the same situation with American Samoans, where they've had to serve in the military in order for them to become naturalized as US citizens. I speak as a New Zealander born Australian citizen. However, my wife is American. My wife has also served in the US military.